What do you say?
Actually, it'd be funny to see what sidewalk truck does in the rain.
Thank you. Look at that.
Can you come sit over here and open it?
What is it, Will?
Come sit by me, Ariana.
Construction book.
Wait, We'll see what you're
We also have hold it down and make it flat.
You say the words to another book that he has.
Now, what is this?
Will, you got some clothes too. What's that? A iguana.
What do you think about the clothes, Will?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Ooh.
I know it's a box, Will, but something's inside of the box.
We've made that mistake before, haven't we, Talia? Whoa!
Can't see. Ooh, fun. What is it?
I don't know what it is.
I think it's a little wagon.
With math in it.
Yes. It has the answers on the back. Cool. Did you make it? Oh. Well, I meant
sorry, Jen.
Dad and you together. Immediately.
No.
Cool. Yeah, but you girls can learn your math better with them too.
Who got you that, Will? Is that from Uncle Greg?
What did he get you?
What? This.
Is that an airplane?
A this. He said a this.
What are those spinny things, Will?
I don't know.
What are these things?
They propellers? Yeah. Mom, you open
Well, I don't know. You gotta open it. To see
What's on the
in there.
outside, Will?
Took about 1,500 gallons of fuel just fly around a little way, so yeah.
What is that? And that's only part of your present.
Oh.
That was the real
You know what else we're gonna do, Will?
plane that the Americans
gonna go
had
see
in World
Cars
War II that really
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear William. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You can blow them out now.
Pearl used to have a bunch of
He's not really blowing.
dead trees that
See?
You want to help him?
carved them into all kinds of different.
Help him.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Go ahead and help him.
I can't.
Bear.
Yay!
Whole body and
You wanna try again?
You want to try again?
Did Mommy do it too hard? Okay, let's try again.
that was done with a chainsaw.
No, birthdays are happy time.
Yes.
All right.
Try again.
I can't.
Let's do it together, okay? 1, 2.
That used to be right along one of the streets.
Yay!
I don't think they even make this anymore, do they?